The 2025 Toyota Hiace has arrived, setting new standards in the commercial vehicle segment with its blend of reliability, spaciousness, and advanced technology. Designed to cater to both business needs and family requirements, the Hiace stands out as a versatile option for various transportation demands. Under the hood, the 2025 Hiace is equipped with Toyota's renowned 2.8-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel engine, delivering a robust 450 Nm of torque. This engine ensures strong low RPM response and flexibility, making it adept at handling city traffic and highway cruising alike. Paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, the Hiace offers both manual and automatic shifting options, allowing drivers to tailor their driving experience to specific needs. Fuel efficiency remains a key focus for the Hiace. Toyota claims a combined average consumption of 7.9 L 100 kilometers. However, real-world tests have shown figures around 11.0 L 100 kilometers under mixed driving conditions, including urban, suburban, and highway routes. This efficiency ensures that businesses can keep operational costs in check while benefiting from the vehicle's performance capabilities. The Hiace's design emphasizes practicality and durability. Its rear-wheel drive configuration provides an inherent traction advantage, especially when transporting heavy loads on varied surfaces. The chassis features a simple yet robust setup with McPherson strut front suspension and a leaf spring live rear axle, ensuring stability and reliability. The variable ratio rack and pinion steering, combined with four-wheel disc brakes on automatic variants, enhances driving confidence and control. One of the standout features of the Hiace is its impressive cargo capacity. The generously sized cargo bay offers up to 6.2 cubic meters of load volume, accommodating up to 2 standard Australian pallets or 3 Euro pallets. Access is made convenient through large sliding doors on either side, each providing a 1010 mm opening, and optional barn doors at the rear that can open up to 180 degrees, facilitating easy loading and unloading, even with forklifts. Inside the cabin, the Hiace balances functionality with comfort. The two-tone dashboard layout is both neat and functional, featuring clear analog instrumentation and easily accessible controls. Standard features include a tilt and reach adjustable leather-accented steering wheel, power-adjustable lumbar support for the driver's seat, a 4.2-inch driver's information display, and an 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This system supports multiple connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and digital radio, ensuring drivers remain connected and entertained on the go. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Hiace is no exception. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a suite of advanced safety features designed to protect both the driver and passengers. Additionally, the Hiace includes a blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert, enhancing awareness of the vehicle's surroundings and reducing the risk of collisions during lane changes or reversing. The Hiace's versatility extends beyond its cargo capabilities. With a seating capacity of up to 15 passengers and flexible seating arrangements, it caters to various needs, from transporting goods to accommodating large groups. This adaptability makes it an ideal choice for businesses requiring a reliable workhorse and families needing extra space. In terms of aesthetics, while the Hiace maintains a focus on functionality, it doesn't compromise on style. The exterior features a clean and modern design, with halogen headlights and daytime running lights ensuring visibility and safety. The unpainted black plastic front and rear bumpers are designed to withstand the wear and tear typical in commercial use, ensuring the vehicle maintains its appearance over time. The driving experience in the Hiace is further enhanced by its refined handling characteristics. The 6-speed automatic transmission offers full torque converter lockup on 4th, 5th, and 6th gears, optimizing fuel efficiency during highway driving. The electronically controlled automatic limited slip differential ensures optimal traction, particularly beneficial when navigating slippery or uneven terrains. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Hiace embodies Toyota's commitment to quality, durability, and reliability. Its combination of powerful performance, impressive cargo capacity, advanced safety features, and modern connectivity options makes it a standout choice in the commercial vehicle market. Whether you're a business owner seeking a dependable partner or a family in need of spacious transportation, the Hiace is poised to meet and exceed expectations, solidifying its position as a leader in its segment.